If you want to level up your cheesecake game, try making this no-bake pomegranate cheesecake. Start by adding pomegranate seeds and sugar to a saucepan. Turn the heat on to medium and cook down until the sugar has dissolved and the seeds have released a fair amount of juice. Remove this from the heat and strain it. Press down on the seeds to help them release all the juice, then set it aside for later. Now to make the jelly center of the cake. This is the part that really takes it to the next level. Start by gently heating up some clear peach-flavored drink with some sugar until the sugar has completely dissolved. Then turn off the heat and add in gelatin sheets that you have soaked in cold water for about 10 minutes, then drained. Allow the warm liquid to completely dissolve the gelatin, then add in more pomegranate seeds and set aside. Now prepare a 6-inch springform pan by covering the bottom with plastic wrap and securing it with an elastic band to prevent leaks. Now pour in your peach gelatin mixture and refrigerate for an hour to let it set. In the meantime, you can prepare the crust for the cheesecake by mixing crushed graham crackers with melted butter until it has a texture similar to wet sand. Transfer the crust to an 8-inch springform pan and press down firmly with a spatula so the crust is even over the whole pan. Then put this in the fridge while you make your filling. Add softened cream cheese, sugar, lemon juice, and plain yogurt to a bowl, then whisk it to combine. Next, pour in vanilla extract and the pomegranate syrup that you made earlier. Whisk this all together until it's smooth and has a beautiful pink color. Now add in gelatin sheets that you soaked in cold water, then microwaved for 15 seconds, and whisk it all together. The last ingredient is some whipped cream that is only about half whipped, so it's still a bit liquid. Once the cream is completely incorporated, pour half the batter over your chilled crust, then shake to spread it out evenly and refrigerate for 1 hour or until it has set. To remove the set gelatin, carefully run a palette knife around the edge, then gently remove the rim of the pan and push back the excess plastic wrap. Once the first layer of cheesecake is set, you can carefully place the gelatin in the center. Don't worry if it breaks a little, just push it back together, then pour the remaining batter over top. Shake it again to spread it out evenly, then refrigerate for another 2 hours before serving. You can decorate your cake with some pink whipped cream or fresh pomegranate seeds to really make it fancy, then serve it up and pat yourself on the back because you've made a gorgeous cheesecake. Hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.